Have you ever wondered if you're attractive? If you've ever brought up the subject to your closest friends, maybe they've reassured you, insisting you are good looking, but yet you can't see what they do. And how do you know if they're just being nice? In your mind, your flaws stand out too much. So how can you tell if you are attractive, even if you don't see yourself as so? Here are 6 signs you really are attractive, even if you don't think you are. Number 1, when you look at photos of yourself from months ago as compared to now, you think you looked better then. Have you ever browsed through your social media only to stumble upon a months-old photo of yourself with friends? You do a double take because you surprisingly look better than you thought you did at the time. I don't look that bad at all, you think. But then that photo from yesterday, you can't help but scrutinize. A 2010 study by psychologist Tal Ayal and behavioral scientist Nicholas Epley found that with due time, one is likely to see themselves more abstractly, similar to how others might view their looks. Researchers had photos taken of participants and then asked them to rate their looks based on how others might rate them. Some of the subjects were told their photo would be rated by others the same day, while others were told the photographs would be rated months later. Those who were told their photos would be rated months later were more accurate in how others perceived them. This could be due to the idea that they've imagined enough time between them and the harsh judgments they felt about themselves while taking the photo. Those harsh scrutinies don't seem that important months down the line, right? So this can be a small way to gain some insight into how attractive you are to others. Look at a photo from months ago and one from now. Are you less critical of yourself when judging the older photo? Ayal and Epley's explanation is that you're a better judge of how attractive you are when enough time has passed from when the photo was taken. Number 2, some people seem nervous or different around you. When you find someone good looking, do you often get nervous? Or maybe you have a loss of words and are in awe of how attractive they are. Well, this may happen to others if they think you're attractive as well. They may even act awkward around you because your beauty makes them nervous. If you notice they act awkward or different around you as compared to others, they may just like you. Number 3, you receive a lot of messages on social media. You just posted that selfie of yourself on social media and now the floodgates have opened to random friend requests and flirty messages. Who are these people? And why are they messaging you out of nowhere? Odds are others find you very attractive based on your latest social media post, and some can't help but message you in hopes you'll like them back. Number 4, you catch them staring at you. Do you find others staring at you? Maybe you think there's something on your teeth, or maybe a bug landed on your face. You're thinking of all kinds of scenarios, but maybe they just think you're attractive. Think about it. When we find someone beautiful, all we want to do is catch another quick glance at them. And perhaps that look becomes an awkward stare. So rest assured, there's likely nothing in your teeth. Their eyes are simply gazing at your eyes, not your mouth. Or, well, maybe they're looking at your mouth too. And number 5, you don't get many compliments when you expect them. Some people simply don't compliment that new acquaintance they find most attractive simply because they assume they know. Some may feel like they might not want the extra attention and that too many compliments may come off as annoying. But if everyone assumes that you're overly used to compliments, they might not give them. Just because you don't receive a compliment does not mean you're not attractive. So, do you think you're attractive? Will you be scrolling through old photos of yourself to see how you feel about them now? Let us know in the comments down below. Remember, even if you don't think you're the most attractive person in the room, the familiar phrase, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, rings true every time. So behold, not only what's great about you on the outside, but the inside as well. Some pretty attractive traits you've been hiding, huh?